Hi Stampers, it's Nancy from StampandShout.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here every day on my YouTube channel at noon to give you new ideas for whatever the featured stamp set is for the week. And this week I am using Circle Saying stamp set. So welcome, I'm glad you're here. Let's show you today's card. So it's Friday, so it's going to be a fast card, a Fast Friday card. So there you go. It's really cute, easy to make. Let's get started. So I'm using a Berry Burst card base, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. Then I have a white piece that is 9 inches by 3. Hang on, let me tell you. 3 1/4. So that leads me to tell you, if I forget to give you a size, you can visit my blog, stampindshout.blogspot.com, and I'll have more pictures and all the supplies I used and the sizes there. So you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to hurry up and write it down or anything. So that's a piece of white that's 9 by 3 1/4. Then I have another piece of Berry Burst and a piece of Designer Series paper. And this Designer Series paper is called Bright and Beautiful. It's a 6 by 6 pack of 48 sheets, and it's so pretty. Very festive, but then again, you do have some solid colors that you can use for lots of cards. And if you're watching my videos, you will see other cards that I made this week using the same Designer Series paper, because it is that pretty. You'll love it. Okay, so let's take this piece and let's go ahead and stamp Happy Birthday on the inside. So I'm going to bring in Berry Burst. And I'm going to stamp first before I glue all this together. That way, if I make a mistake, I don't have to ruin my whole card. So let me just line this up, and we're going to stamp Happy Birthday. Very pretty font. Let me see if I can bring that up closer for you. I love Stampin' Up's sentiments, their wording, and the font that they used. It's just gorgeous. And let's see, what else can we do? Get out of the way. We can go ahead and glue this pretty Designer Series paper to that Berry Burst matte piece, just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and glue that on to the front. And this goes right in the center. Like that. And now we can go ahead and glue this onto our card base. And again, this is going to go right in the center, just like that. And now let's do some more stamping. So let me bring in a scrap piece of white. Let's see, is that going to be big enough? I think so. And I'm going to bring in the stamp that says Celebrate, Celebrate, Celebrate right there. And I'm going to ink that up in Berry Burst. And we can punch that out with our coordinating punch. So this stamp set, like I said, stamp set and the punch is a bundle, which means if you buy them together, you can get the bundle price, which saves 10%. If you just want the stamp set, that's fine. But if you want both, you buy them together as a bundle to save the 10%. If you buy them each separately, you don't get the discount that way. But when you look through the catalog, plus it'll be on my blog as a bundle, so you'll be sure to enter the correct number if that's what you want to buy. Now we're going to stamp on a scrap a cupcake. And then we're going to frost it and make it pretty. So I'm stamping this in the Memento black ink. then just want to cover my ink up. I'm going to take, what color is this one? Light Fresh Freesia. And I'm going to color in my cupcake. Let me use the other tip. I'm going to use the larger tip. Oh my goodness, I hear the sirens going off. The tornado sirens. Better hurry up with my video, huh? And then for the cupcake holder part, I'm going to bring in a little teeny tiny stamp. And this stamp is from Lasting Joy, and it's this little leaf stamp here. But you can use any little, you can color this whole thing in if you want, or just put dots on it if you want. But let me show you the original card. So I just put little decorations on the paper cup, and I did that with Berry Burst. So I just kind of stamped a few here and there. Kind of gives it that little festive look for our birthday card. Stamp one more right there. And then I fussy cut this out.
You hear that?
Yes, I hear it.
Why did you stop?
Nope. So we're going to cut this out. My husband's telling me to stop because the sirens are going. But we're going to finish this card really quick. I'm going to put that down there. And then we're going to put this right in the center of our card and add a bow, and we will be done. So I'm going to put a bow on with a glue dot. Right there. And this is how this card works. It just flips open like this. So there you go. I'm going to cut this short because I hear those sirens and I got to go see what it's all about. So again, I'm here every day at noon. Go ahead and comment. Every comment will be entered to win today's card, and I will announce the winners on Monday. Until then, don't be shy. Stamp and shout.